Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, designing a kitchen that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing involves careful planning and attention to detail. In this video, we are covering essential principles and ideas to help you create your ideal kitchen space. First of all, optimize layout with the work triangle. The kitchen work triangle is a foundational design principle that positions the sink, stove, and refrigerator in a triangle layout to enhance efficiency. Each leg of the triangle should ideally be between 4 to 9 feet, with the total perimeter ranging from 13 to 26 feet. This setup minimizes unnecessary movement and streamlines cooking tasks. On the second number, maximize storage solutions. Efficient storage is crucial for maintaining an organized kitchen. Incorporate deep drawers for pots and pans. Pull-out pantry shelves for dry goods and vertical storage solution to utilize every inch of space. Custom cabinetry can be tailored to your specific needs, ensuring that commonly used items are easily accessible. On the third number, layer lighting for functionality and ambience. A well-lit kitchen combines various lighting types: ambient lighting, general illumination from ceiling fixtures, task lighting, focused lighting for work areas such as under cabinet lights, accent lighting, highlights architectural features or decor elements. Incorporating natural light through windows or skylights further enhances the space, making it feel open and inviting. On the fourth number, choosing durable and timeless material. Selecting materials that are both durable and timeless ensures longevity and aesthetic appeals. Opt for countertops made of granite, quartz, or marble, and flooring materials like tile, vinyl, or hardwood. These choices withstand daily wear and tear while maintaining their beauty over time. On the fifth number, incorporate functional and stylish appliances. Modern kitchens benefit from appliances that are both functional and visually appealing. Consider energy-efficient models that blend seamlessly with your cabinetry. Placement is key. Ensure appliances are positioned for ease or use, with adequate space for doors to open fully without obstructions. Establish a focal point. Creating a focal point adds visual interest and anchors the kitchen design. This could be a statement backsplash, a unique range hood, or a central island with distinctive features. Ensure that other design elements complement rather than compete with this focal point. On the seventh number, enhance with natural light. Natural light not only improves visibility but also contributes to a pleasant atmosphere. Incorporate large windows, glass doors, and skylights to flood the kitchen with daylight. This approach reduces the need for essential lighting during the day and creates a warm, welcoming environment. Plan for efficient workflow. Design your kitchen layout to facilitate a smooth workflow. Ensure that there is ample counter space adjacent to key appliances such as the refrigerator, sink, and stove. This setup allows for convenient food preparation and minimize unnecessary movement. Utilize quality fixtures and hardware. Invest in high quality fixtures and hardware that offer both functionality and style. Features like soft close drawers, pull-out shelves, and ergonomic handles enhances the user experience and contribute to the kitchen's overall aesthetic. Personalize your space. Incorporate personal touch to make the kitchen uniquely yours. This could include displaying cherished items, selecting a color palette that reflects your personality, or integrating design elements that resonate with your lifestyle. Personalization adds warmth and character to the space. Design your kitchen for easy cleaning and maintenance. Choose materials and finishes that resist stains and are simple to wipe down. Incorporate features like backsplash tiles and sealed countertops to protect against spills and splatters. Effective ventilation is essential for maintaining air quality and removing cooking odors. Install a range hood that vents to the outside and consider additional ventilation options like windows or exhaust fans to keep the air fresh. By thoughtfully applying these principles, you can create a kitchen that is not only functional and efficient but also a reflection of your personal style.